Hey guys, happy Thanksgiving. I just wanted to take a second and let you know that we also love you guys and we are thankful for you, and want to let you know that without your support and without being in business together and being able to help you, that we wouldn't be where we are today. And more importantly, whether you know it or not, we love watching you guys and keeping up with you guys on social media and loving to see how your families grow and change and expand. And it's something that, if you've already gotten letters from us, just kind of randomly, whether you have a child or a graduation, sometimes we'll send, random gifts and acts of kindness. And hopefully you've got some of those from us already, and if you haven't, they're coming. So want to let you know that we appreciate you, and your help doesn't go unnoticed, and us being able to help you is appreciated more than you know.